I have this Instagram post and I want to change this area that has the date. I have this date I want to change on multiple pages. You can see it cut across the countdown post from 7 to 2 down to this 9. I'm just going to double tap on this and I will go into this text box. I want to copy what I want to change. So the venue here, I'm going to copy it, copy, and I will go to these 3 dots and you will see find and replace text here. I will click on it and it will ask me what text I want to find. I will paste the text I have and it will ask me what text I want to replace. Let me replace it with my own venue for the event. You can see it appeared 7 times on the design. You can see it from here. If you go this way, you can see the design begins to show you all the places it appeared in this design. So I'm going to click on replace all and it replaces all that in my text. Another thing I want to change is the date. I'm going to click on this, select all, everywhere 31st appeared. The date for our event is supposed to be 30th. You can see it appeared 8 places. I'm going to change that to 30th. You can as well see the number of places it appeared by just using this arrow to tap this way. And you'll see everywhere it appeared. I'm going to click on replace all those 8 places it appeared. Voila! I finished changing all my text across the 10 pages I have. So if you swipe this way, you begin to see all those dates take effect. Yeah, this is how to change multiple text all at once on your Canva mobile.